think I'm someone to be saved, someone to clean up and tame. Oh, some things never change, never change.
Hey guys, how are you doing? I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video I'm going to try on this beautiful mohawk wig. So if you find this video entertaining or interesting, make sure you comment down below, and then make sure you like this video. And then also, if you're interested in any of my wigs or this one, I'll leave my details in the comment section down below so you can contact me and I'll send the wigs to you.
You say I make you nervous, a tragedy, I'm a beautiful disaster, a reckoning. You wonder how I got this way. You think I'm someone to be saved, someone to clean up and tame. Oh, some things never change, never change. You think I would look pretty on your arm once you cover up my bruises and battle scars, but it always ends the same.
Guys, if you order from my website, this is something that I noticed last week with like 3 clients. Just make sure when you go to the website, choose the correct color, because someone just because you see a photo I've displayed it on the website, maybe let me say it's a black, you assume that the color you've chosen is black. Make sure you confirm the color before you check out, because I've received like 3 cases. I received 3 cases last week. Some of my clients wanted the wig in black, but instead they chose color 1930. So just make sure when you check out on the website, confirm the color and also confirm the details. Okay, make sure you confirm the color, guys, please, please, please. Okay, so that when you receive the wig, you don't receive the color that you were not expecting.
A tragedy, I'm a beautiful disaster, a reckoning. You wonder how I got this way. You think I'm someone to be saved, someone to clean up and tame. Oh, some things never change, never change. Can't bear the things I've had to face, got you crying on your knees in pain. Oh, some things never